Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December the 2nd, 2021, and the red beets and the turnips were harvested from outside. Now this is one of the red beets here. And you can see how much this here weighs. Weighs about 2.5 pounds. And that's one of the largest red beets that I've ever seen. And there's another one here. This one here is smaller. And you can see there's some more red beets in this bucket here. Now all the tops were cut off of these. We're not sure if this one here got woody on the inside or not, but when it's cut we'll see. Now the tops have been cut off of these, and they're going to be pickled for pickled red beets. I have a video on my channel for how we do the red beets up, so you can check that out on there. So I just want to give you this quick video update on what was harvested out of the garden. We are gardening in Pennsylvania, Zone 5B. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!